Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Have I Been Pwned.com. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a website where you can enter in your email address and check to see if that email address has been used anywhere else. So as you can see, we have it pulled up here in their website. But before we get into the details, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. So guys, link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see right here, there's not much to the website. You can just enter in your email here and then click on check. And if you're wondering if this website is legit, we have it actually pulled up here on a Trustpilot and see that a rate of 3.0 with this which is average with 36 reviews here on Trustpilot. So let's read some reviews here. So this person said that it's nice, everything was good, but not the best. So 3 stars. Support agent was nice, so this one doesn't count since they just counted the support agent. Not so useful in my opinion. This website only shows which platforms have been hacked or have suffered data breaches. I checked my current email address and also 2 email addresses I had in the past. It shows a list of websites which suffered data breaches, so that doesn't help very much. Next, useless. Spam collection service. Enter my email for so-called security check. The next day my inbox is full of spam and junk mail. Avoid. Do not use this. I entered a clean email account and got spam emails the same day. Check your system or your people. Okay, that isn't pretty good. Useful. That is paid. So it is actually paid a service. I didn't know that. So great tool. Though needs some trust. And a lot more. So the reviews right here, guys, are a bit of a hit or miss. So if you're wondering if this is actually legit, I advise you guys to not enter in your email since it isn't very useful since you will need to pay. There are a lot of other services out there that will help you with that, which is more legit than this website. So I advise you to not use this website, guys, since you may get spam emails on your email account. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.